After 3 long days of massive protest by farmers in Nagpur, roads blocked, tempers high and emotions raw, the Maharashtra government has finally stepped in. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has assured that a farm loan waiver will be announced by June 30, 2026. This isn't just another political statement, it's a turning point in a story that began with distress, continued through broken promises, and now seems to carry a glimmer of hope. Because when thousands of farmers gather on the streets, holding nothing but faith and frustration, it's not just a protest, it's a cry for survival. And this week, that cry was finally heard. Maharashtra government has agreed to the farmers' key demand, a concrete deadline for waiving off their loans. But what led to this moment? Why did it take 3 days of agitation in the heart of Nagpur for the government to act? And what exactly happens next? Well, hi, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, we'll break down everything from the reason behind the protest to why the government made this announcement now. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for all the updates that matter. For months, Maharashtra's farmers have been struggling, not with politics but with nature. From June to September 2025, heavy rains and floods ravaged the state, affecting over 34 districts and destroying crops across 65 lakh hectares of farmland. Imagine investing the entire season of hard work only to watch your crops sink underwater. Farmers were left helpless, unable to repay loans, facing bank recovery notices, and once again trapped in the cycle of debt. This time, however, they refused to stay silent. The protest, led by well-known farm leaders like Bachchu Kadu, Raju Shetty, Ajit Navale, and Vaman Rao Chatap, thousands of farmers marched in Nagpur demanding what they were promised: a full loan waiver, just like the one Mahayuti had mentioned in its 2024 election manifesto. The protest continued for 3 straight days. Roads were blocked, traffic came to a standstill, and the message was clear: we don't want words, we want dates. Finally, on Thursday evening, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, along with Deputy CM Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, sat down with farmer representatives at the Sahyadri Guest House. Hours of discussion followed, and by the end, the government assured that a farm loan waiver would be announced by June 2026. But this won't be done overnight. A 9-member committee has already been formed to design the loan waiver policy, deciding how, who, and under what conditions the loan will be waived. The committee will submit its report by the first week of April 2026, and the final decision will follow by June 30, within the same financial cycle. The CM also clarified that as per the current rules, farm loans can be recovered till June 2026, meaning the government still has time to officially announce the waiver.
महाराष्ट्र के हमारी सरकार ने अपना जो घोषणा पत्र दिया था, उस घोषणा पत्र में किसानों को कर्जा माफ करेंगे, इस प्रकार की हमने घोषणा की थी। उसी तर्ज पर आज हम लोगों ने फैसला किया है। एक हमने इसके ऊपर कमेटी तैयार की है। ये कमेटी किस प्रकार से कर्जा माफ करना है, उसके नियम निकष क्या होंगे, इसके ऊपर अभ्यास करके अप्रैल के फर्स्ट वीक में हमको एक अपना रिपोर्ट देगी और उसके बाद 3 महीने में यानी 30 जून से पहले हम लोग उस रिपोर्ट के आधार पर ये जो हमारे किसान हैं, इन किसानों को कर्जा माफ करेंगे।
To give immediate relief, the government has already released rupees 8,000 crore and approved another 11,000 crore in compensation for flood-affected farmers. Loan recoveries for many are also expected to be suspended, temporarily giving them some breathing space. Now let's be honest, this announcement isn't just about economics, it's about trust. The Mahayuti government had made this promise before elections, and breaking it would have cost them politically. But the timing also shows a mix of empathy and urgency, with farmer suicides rising again in parts of Vidarbha and Marathwada, and public anger reaching its peak. So by stepping in now, the government is trying to strike a balance, fulfilling its promise, calling the protest and offering hope before another sowing season begins. Bachchu Kadu, who led the agitation, later told, "They have given us a date for the loan waiver, which was our main demand. We will now decide on ending the protest." A statement that reflects both relief and cautious optimism. But here's the bigger question. Will this be another promise on paper, or will it finally bring peace to Maharashtra's farmlands? Because for the farmers, This isn't about political gains or grand announcement. It's about survival, dignity, and the dream to farm again without fear. So as Maharashtra waits for that committee report due in April, all eyes are now on June 30, 2026, the day the government says farmers will finally be debt-free. So that's all. Share your views in the comments below and do subscribe to Lokmat Times for all the updates that matter, and thanks for watching.